Hi guys. First of all, thank you so much for your support on my previous video. It really motivated me a lot. Now, let's start today's videos. So first of all, for those who are new to my channel, hi guys, my name is Amita Singh and I'm a full stack developer working in Verizon. I have also worked in CTS. So my today's agenda is how you can prepare the first round of your placement. The first round of all the companies, that is the online test, how you can clear that. So I came up with this preparation strategy which I'm going to share, which include quantitative aptitude, reasoning, your essay writing section or your verbal ability, automata fix and face-to-face interview. So how you can clear the first round, that is online test. So in quantitative aptitude, what are the important topic which you need to cover before sitting in any interview? These are the important topic. I will take one by one each. If you make your plan like that, first you should cover all these topics, all these chapters, then proceed to the next or cover all the other chapters. So start with boat and stream, profit loss, time and distance, time and work, partnership, allegation and mixture, probability, HCF LCM, permutation and combination, problem on ages, ratio and proportion, data interpretation, clock. These are the 10 to 12 topics I mentioned. You can pause the video, you can note it down. From this topic, I will pick 4 topics from which you will definitely get a question. That is boat and stream, time and work, probability, problem on ages, and it could be allegation and mixture or data interpretation. Some of the companies, they put question on data interpretation. Some, they don't prefer data interpretation as a topic. But it all depends on company to company. But these are the very important chapter which you have to prepare first. After this, after preparing all this chapter, you can proceed to the other chapters. Now, these are the topic, okay. From IndiaBix, you can refer IndiaBix for all the questions. But for solution, you don't have to refer IndiaBix solution. The solution in that or solution in RS Agrawal is very lengthy. You don't have to do this. You don't have to do like that. Now, in what way we can solve any questions? If you are getting any question in quantitative aptitude, you have to solve within a 1 minute or less than a 1 minute. I would say refer this shortcut, the website or the YouTube channel which are providing shortcut to solve all these questions. There are many sites, there are many YouTube channels who are teaching shortcuts to solve any quantitative aptitude questions. You can refer those websites or you can refer those channels. Okay? Do not take pen and paper and solve like a 8th or 9th class student. You don't have to solve like this. You have to work very smartly. You have to solve very smartly. Use short tricks to solve any questions. These are the important topic I have covered. This is about quantitative aptitude. Now let's talk about reasoning. Now in reasoning, we have some important topic which I have mentioned. It is also from IndiaBix. The topics I have covered here, I have taken it from IndiaBix. Okay. So what are the important topic for reasoning? Number series, letter and symbol, directions, coding and decoding, blood relation, series completion, syllogism, data sufficiency, character puzzle, sitting arrangement. These are the important topic for your reasoning. And I'm sure like reasoning is very easy for most of you guys, right? But practice more and more from all this topic which I have mentioned just now. And you can take help from IndiaBix. You can practice as much as question you can from that website. And in reasoning, I don't think so we have some shortcuts or the short tricks available to solve these questions in reasoning. But the more you practice, the better your understanding will be in terms of reasoning. So these are the important topics for reasoning. Now let's talk about essay writing. So some of the companies conduct essay writing as a section, separate section. Some of the company conduct verbal ability. For verbal ability, the more you practice, the better your understanding will be. So from where you can practice? You can refer IndiaBix. You can refer the previous year question. If you do not have previous year question paper, I will provide you the previous year question paper. I can upload it on my YouTube channel. If you want, you can DM me for any queries. Now let's talk about the writing section. The verbal ability, the more you practice, the better your understanding will be. You can refer IndiaBix or any YouTube channel or previous year question paper. Okay, from three places you can get easily the verbal ability questions. Now in writing section, how you have to write an essay, that is very important. So as you all know, essay has three parts. Essay is divided into three parts. First is introduction, then the body, and then we have conclusion. So while you're writing any essay, you have to make sure you'll start with the introduction. Then you will write the body. In the body, you'll talk about the past, present, and future. If it is a technology, talk about in past how the things were, in present how the things are, in future what the things will be. Always take an example in your essay writing. Use different words. Use new word as much as possible. If it is an online essay writing, then in online, how they are processing your result? They are processing your result on the basis of your, the number of new words plus your grammatical mistakes. So do not do any grammatical mistake. Use new words. Plus add examples. At the end, you can write, you can give an example. You can also conclude the essay with problem and solution. What are the problem, if you are given with some topic, and with solution, you can provide the solution. And all you have to do within examples, try to put more and more examples, more and more new words in your essay. That will be more effective at the backend processing. Now let's talk about Automata Fix. Some of the companies like Cognizant, they are conducting Automata Fix as one of the section. Now what is there in the Automata Fix? You will be given some code and there will be some error in the code. You have to fix the code and you have to run it on the compiler. And in Automata Fix questions, you will be having the option to select your language, your preferred language. So you can debug your code in your preferred language, and you can compile it, you can rerun it, you can run it on the compiler and to check whether your code is successful, passed the test cases or not. So this is quite simple. Now next thing, in some of the companies, they are conducting programming MCQ questions. In programming MCQ questions, they cover three important topics, three important chapters. First, any programming language, it could be C, C++, Java. The question will be from there. The second, they'll be giving some snippet of the program and they will be expecting you to give output of that program. This will be the questions related to programming. There will be questions on networking, basic of networking. There will be some questions on DBMS and there will be some questions on SQL. So these are the topic or these are the chapter from where you have to prepare for your computer MCQ questions. These are the important chapters which you have to cover. Now from where you can cover? You can refer IndiaBix again, because IndiaBix has all the questions of computer. You can refer it, you'll get an idea how the questions, the company asked. Plus, you have to refer the previous year questions of the company. If you need any help in getting previous year questions, do let me know in the comment section. Now, after doing this MCQ, computer programming MCQ, now the computer programming MCQ, so we have only three sections. Either you'll be having computer programming MCQ or you'll be having the Automata Fix. It depends on company to company. Either you'll be having a verbal ability or the writing section. It will depend on company to company. Quantitative aptitude reasoning is common in all the company. Now this is all about your first round. Now in the technical round, if you clear the first round, you'll go for technical. Now how you can prepare for technical round, this is very important. And I don't want to extend this video has already extended. So I'll make another video of face-to-face technical round, how you can crack it, how you can clear it. I'll give you the crisp of how you can make the interviewer to ask questions in your field of interest. I'll make a video on this. So I will provide you the link in the description box or as an I button on the top. This is all about the first round. So if you guys have any doubt, you can post your question in the comment section. And do let me know if you need any guidance in any companies. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go ahead guys and please subscribe to my channel. I'll be providing you updates on company's placement, recruitment process, placement paper. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. You can press the bell icon to get the notification on each and every video I'll be uploading. Thank you for watching.